Okay, guys, we are in downtown Dallas, and we're going towards the Grassy Knoll. The GPS thing wants me to go make a U-turn, and this van doesn't have the radius to go that sharp. The turning radius on this thing is not very good. So anyway, we'll get there, guys. We'll get there. I saw the spot where Kennedy was assassinated. They got a big old X on the road. God. And I can't figure out which one of these buildings here are the book depository that Oswald supposedly shot him from. Okay, I'm going for it, guys. I'm going for it. This is where it happened. I don't know what that is, but there's another mark right here. We'll go around again. Now, just a personal thought. I don't think Oswald shot Kennedy. I think he was a stooge, you know. Hey, let's get some guy that, we can blame this on. I think that the government maybe had something to do with it because they didn't like how the things were going in Cuba. And among other things. But funny thing is, I saw a movie about 3-4 years later, about how they went out in the desert and these guys practiced from different viewpoints shooting. Okay, they had built stuff out in the desert, and to match the location that Kennedy was going to be going down. And that's it from a different, where they were going to be at. And the movie was excellent, but the movie only lasted, I think, maybe the whole weekend. I'm not sure, and I never heard from it again. So that's kind of odd. But it either has to be this building here that they're working on, or that building over there. I'm not sure. So anyway, that says Dallas County Administration Building. So I don't know, I was a little young back then to know which building it was. I can't remember which building they said it was, where they said it was. So oh, stop it, Sammy. Maybe it's a museum store over there. I don't know. Cafe museum store. Okay, I'm going for it. Okay, I guess I'm not. Oh, good. We get to sit here for a minute. Yay. Oh, man. Can I have one? Can I get one? Huh? Are you kidding me? Oh, come on.
That's what they call it. I don't put the price on.
What the hell?
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, he just made money. I bet. Special edition. Anyway, gotta... Oh, shit. I was so worried about the newspaper, I didn't... Oh, well. Hell. That's me. That's how I roll. I miss everything. Okay, guys. I hope you saw the X on the street, because we're not going back again. I'm on to find other things of interest, not diminishing, Kennedy's assassination. That was a horrible thing, but yeah, you know what I mean. You guys know, what I mean. Let's see. Did I finish my thought about the movie? Never heard from it again. So I figured it had to have some truth in it. Oh, anyway, I'll be back. Okay, over there they have a law office and beer and wine, liquor, beer, and wine store in the same plaza. Here, get out on bail and go have a drink. Woo! That's a big hat.